Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can attach editable polys together from a downloaded CAD model. So first I'm going to get the CAD model in. I'm going to go import, select it. I'm using a bike, and as you can see, all of these parts here are separate. So I want to attach them all together, so I'm going to just select one, and in the modify panel we can see that editable poly comes up, and if we scroll down here and just select attach, then we can just click on all of the other components here. So if it highlights yellow, it means it's not been selected yet. So I'm just going to go ahead and select all of those. And if you run your mouse over everything and just double check that nothing is being highlighted with yellow lines, everything here has got blue lines, and then we should be able to click off of it and everything will be selected. So now we can move it all as one object instead of separately.